Respiration is the process by which organisms obtain energy from organic molecules. It involves the breakdown of glucose molecules in the presence of oxygen to produce energy, carbon dioxide, and water. Example: in humans, the process of respiration occurs in multiple steps. 1. Breathing. Oxygen is inhaled through the nose or mouth and enters the lungs. 2. Gaseous exchange. In the lungs, oxygen diffuses into the bloodstream and is carried by red blood cells to cells throughout the body. 3. Cellular respiration. Within the cells, oxygen is used to break down glucose molecules through a series of biochemical reactions, releasing energy in the form of ATP adenosine triphosphate. For energy production, ATP is the primary energy currency of cells and is used for various cellular processes, such as muscle contraction, protein synthesis, and active transport. 5. Carbon dioxide production. As glucose is broken down, carbon dioxide is produced as a waste product. 6. Exhalation. Carbon dioxide is transported back to the lungs through the bloodstream, where it is exhaled out of the body. Overall, respiration provides the energy necessary for the survival and functioning of cells and organisms.